Welcome to the Average Male Moron channel, where we might get older, but we never actually grow up. According to my mom, that is exactly right. Tonight we are looking at social distancing in Airbnbs. When renters stay at my house, I provide them a special social distancing kit in order to make sure that they have a great stay and stay safe. Let's take a look at what this kit has to offer. To keep people safe and socially distanced, first up we have the stink bomb. The classic stink bomb you may remember from 7th grade in middle school. It'll clear out a room. So say you go to a restaurant, there's a long line, and you want to clear out a table. Maybe someone's standing right over your shoulder. Well, one of these will do the trick. This is step one. Take one of these out, and you break it open. Let's see what it will do to this room. And let's go ahead and give the stink bomb a try. It comes in these glass capsules, and so all we have to do is break it. Oh, I can already smell it dispersing. Oh, that's a very sulfury smell. I hope that dissipates quickly. Next up, and especially effective if you're out on a hike or in a public space, especially if that guy's right over your shoulder and he won't stop breathing down your neck. You've already tried the stink bomb, it's not working, it's not getting your 6 feet of distance. We have can of gas crap. Now, I've never tested this out. Let's test it out. It says fart spray. Now this could be some pretty powerful stuff in the kit. And oh, that definitely smells like farts. Someone's sitting right over you, sulfur bomb them. Give me my 6 feet, you get a sulfur bomb. It works, and it smells like a volcano in here. A minor eruption between the legs. Now, when my guests have tried everything to socially distance and stay safe, but nothing is doing the trick, I provide them the nuclear option, the Fart Launcher 3000. In the Fart Launcher, you will find a targeted stream of fart. In the box, it comes with cartridges, and they're leaking a little bit. I hope that doesn't affect the performance. Let's give the Fart Launcher 3000 a test. Oh, juice is going everywhere. The juice is loose. And here we have the cartridge. And it looks like the cartridge fits in, so it's actually going to spray back into the canister. Once it's in, target up. I can hear it spraying. It's cocked and silent but deadly. Cock it again. It's got its spray and back off. Give me my 6 feet. It makes renters feel much more at peace knowing, ooh, and that's bad. Yeah. That's more than sulfur. That is more of a, I've been eating cheese and it's curdled in my stomach fart. Oh yeah, that'll do the trick to get you your 6 feet. What we have here is weaponized lactose intolerance. This is the nuclear option to provide Airbnb guests so they can get their 6 feet and feel comfortable staying at your place, knowing they can effectively social distance. One more. Woo. I know it launches them that way, but I can smell them this way. I think the lights are pushing the scent back this way. Oh, it's bad. And the Fart Launcher 3000 will be your nuclear option for your Airbnb renters. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.